Be honest. As a Christian, have you ever felt frustrated with your personal walk with God? Are you tired of thinking that God is blessing everyone else but you? What if I told you that you could be pressing a spiritual pause button that literally stops God's flow of blessings into your life? Would you stop pressing it? How to Fire the Devil as Your Life Coach is the brand new book by author and speaker Desmond Antonio Blackburn. In it, he reveals that every time a Christian jumps from faith to doubt in both their heart and mind, instability and confusion is created. And when this happens, it activates God's pause button, causing your blessings to simply stop, as seen in James chapter 1, verses 6, 7, and 8. Christians are hitting this pause button several times a day and don't even know it. This book provides easy-to-use strategies that are designed to keep you from pressing that pause button and to start releasing God's flow of wealth, health, and joy back into your life. The book is only $13.95, and as an added bonus, each purchase comes complete with a free one-on-one session with a certified Christian life coach. So if you're ready to tell the devil you're fired, then click on the link below, order your copy, and schedule your coaching session today.